Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord tutorial. So, a few years ago we created the paracord cross using the crown knot. Today we're going to create the paracord bracelet using the same crown knot. So if you want to learn how to create that crown knot paracord cross, the full tutorial we have in the top right corner of this video in the information card. Also there you can find this awesome paracord bracelet tutorial how to make it. So click on the I button and you will find those tutorials. For today's project we're gonna use the dark green and gold paracord 550. The dimension of the paracord are as always in the description down below of this video. So we're gonna take the ends of a cord and pull it together to find the center. We'll do the same with the gold paracord. Pull it, find the center, and after we done that I'm gonna simply just zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and we're gonna proceed. We're gonna take and insert the gold paracord in between these two strands of green, and now with this right strand of a gold I'm gonna make it around and then to the left side, and with the left paracord strand of the gold color we're gonna make under this right strand, and then on top of those two green cords and through the loop on this right side, and we're gonna pull it, cinch it. Now here we're gonna left a little loop, not just a little, loop enough to pass our stop knot on the end. So now we're gonna take the left green and we're gonna make it under this left gold and this right strand green on top of this right strand gold, and we change the core cords for this bracelet. Now the gold is the core, and we're gonna do the same with the green as we did with the gold. We're gonna take the right strand green and make it under those two gold cords and to the left side, and this left strand green we're gonna make it under this right strand green and on top of those two gold cords, and then through the loop on the right side. And now we're gonna tighten it. So here we are, our first two knots are finished. Now we're gonna proceed as we did before. We're gonna take this left strand gold and we're gonna make it under this green one, and with this right strand gold we're gonna make it on top of this green paracord. So we're gonna transfer our core strands and we're gonna simply repeat the first knot. So with the right strand gold around and to the back and to the side, and with this left strand gold on top of the under this right strand gold and on top of those two greens and through the loop on the right side. As you can see, this is very simple, easy yet very elegant and very nice knot. So we're gonna take this right strand cord and we're gonna twist it, place it on top of this left strand cord like so, and then we're gonna take the left strand, make it under this right strand, and then from the top into the loop like so. And now we're gonna make it from the loop back through. So basically we take this left strand and make it under this right strand and insert it into the loop under this left strand cord and through. By doing this we form the shape of a pretzel, as you can clearly see. So here we are, we finished our today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and of course if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. Until then, stay safe, be well, wishing you just the best. Dale signing out. See ya, bye!